Nigga, it's time to get money out here. Nigga, I'm trying to understand where to understand. I don't got no fear. Nigga, I'm giving it up raw. I'm giving up rough. I'm giving up soft, nigga. What you need on these streets is to understand I'm trying to get my meat, nigga. I got my feet on the grind. I said, my nigga, I'm not gonna pass, nigga, I'm gonna shine. On your ass, I don't need no pass, nigga, I'ma ride anyway. I'm pushing the gas, nigga. Fat, like I said. My rhymes is on time, like my ass is on time. My ass is on time, my ass is on time. Nigga, get this money. Understand me, this shit ain't funny. You better understand, nigga, I'm coming correct. Nigga, I'm not coming. Nigga, I'm not coming. I said, you wanna know where I come from? I come from the CPT, nigga, where it's done. I come from Watts, nigga, where we bust your head. Nigga, make you understand, nigga, we ain't dead. I said, nigga, we on the streets. We moving shit. We bringing heat, nigga. Don't you understand where I come from? From the city streets. Nigga, get your money. Get your money, get your money, get your money. Get your money, get your money, this shit ain't funny. Nigga, I'm riding around, nigga, scratching the earth. Nigga, trying to get the birth in my pocket. I wanna feel it, rocking and knocking in my pocket, like the trunk of my sockets. I said, don't you know I'm giving it up for the who ride, nigga, for the JD ride. I said, my name is JD. I got the mad ass flow, don't you see? I'm rapping to this beat because it's also fucking neat. I said, do you understand I'm dancing and I'm meeting the freaks, nigga? I said, don't you understand me? My name is JD, nigga, I am crazy, yes. Do you wanna know where I come from? Nigga, go ask somebody, nigga, from where I come from, nigga. I come from your ass, nigga, where you gonna get no pass. You better understand I'm pushing this gas. Nigga, get your money right. Get your money right, get your money right. Get your money right, get your money right. Get your money right, get your money right. Do you understand I'm not out here playing? I'm trying to understand, nigga, I'm laying niggas down. I said, don't you understand I'm laying it down like you clowns? Nigga, my pockets is fat and I don't understand. I said, don't you understand me? I'm giving you this rapping with this energy. I said, I flow, and then I keep on going. I flow, and then I make shit move. I said, I make it flow, I'm making more. Moves on the flow, on the dance floor. Making moves, making it hot. Understand, nigga, I got the spots. I'll give you 25 cents back. You give me 25, I'll make it back for you. You said you want to split, nigga, please. I'll make you understand, I'm gonna make you get on your knees and say, please, don't give it to me like that. I'ma understand, nigga, you're coming whack. You wanna know what's fat? This track that I'm laying on your ass like a back side of my tires. Nigga, 24 Imperial tires. Do you wanna know where they come from? They come from the shop down on Avalon and 126th Street. My homeboy Miguel, which up giving it up fat with the meat. The nigga got chrome for your ass. He ain't gonna make you pass. You better come with the fat ducats, because he gonna say, nigga, get out my face if you ain't fucking with it. I said, come on, man, let me get a pass. I'll give you 1,000 for them rims on the Jag. What you wanna do? You wanna put some rims on the Jag or two? I said, yeah, man, let me put this money on here. Let me give it to you raw, nigga, like I said, it's on the frontier. I said, my man, you wanna be fat? You better not come whack. I said, you better come ride. Come ride. Get your money right. Get your money right. Get your money right. Get your money right. I said, get your money right out here on these streets, cause these niggas out here bringing heat. Do you understand where I come from? We don't run. We pack guns. We make you understand this ain't for fun. I'm trying to get my money right. Do you understand this shit ain't alright? I said, nigga, this little money right here ain't gonna make her understand me. Don't you know I need some more this year? Where you at? Make this paper, make it fat. Make it fat for your ass. I'm gonna make you pass. You gonna get your ass in gas. And then I might say, oh well, nah, don't blow him up. Just make him snuff. Don't blow him up. Get his money. Make him go get his money. Go get your money, man. 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 Don't understand. Go get your money, man. Go get your money, man. Go get your money, man. Don't you know these streets out here ain't right? They make a nigga rob and flip dope all night. I said, damn, why do I gotta do this? Because my paper ain't right and I got to feel this. Nigga, don't you understand? I come from Comptown land. I said I come from Watts. I come from Compton. It's called the hub, the dub, nigga. We ain't gon' rub against no other niggas because we bigger figures, nigga. We pulling triggers, nigga, on your ass, nigga. Don't you understand? Don't come around here with that bullshit. We don't understand bullshit. Don't you know we gonna give it up to your ass, nigga, every time you come around here, nigga. You ain't gonna get no pass. My name is JD, homeboy. I don't know what to do but put the shoe in your ass as if you don't get no pass. I said, get this money, man. Get this money, man. Get this money, man. Get this money, man. All I know is paper on the streets. I'm dancing to the freaks. I said, let me get this paper, man. I'm not gonna blast your ass. I said, you gotta get this paper before you get the vapors. I don't understand this. When these niggas come incorrect, they wanna say, man, I got half on this, I got a half on that. Nigga, fuck yourself. I gotta give it up to the homies, nigga. I'm giving it up to the homies, nigga, who love me. I said, I love you too, homeboy. But watch your ass in them streets, nigga, because them niggas don't care. They will blow your ass into the past, nigga. They'll blow your wig back. If you don't understand, nigga, these niggas is whack. I come from the back streets of Compton. I come from the back streets and the fronts of Watson. I said, don't you know Watts is the city where I live? Nigga, I'm giving it up for the hood. It's understood. Yeah, it's all good, but nigga, don't come around here with that bullshit. Get your money, man. 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 That's the plan. Get your money, man. Get your money, man. Get your money, man. Get your money, man. Get your money, man.